So now let me type in a prompt right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say name 10 types of vegetables right here, just like this. Name and list 10 types of vegetables right here, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that it searches for this option right here, and you can see that I get 10 vegetables around over here. So I got this prompt around over here, no problem regarding that. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and export out this particular prompt result right here. So in that case, you can see that this is what you have. You get the export option around over here, as you can see. So if I were to go around and click on this right here, so if I were to go around and click on export, then I can export it out as a Word file, a PDF file, or a text file, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around, click on Word file right here, then it is exporting it out as a Word file, as you can see, just like this. So it is exporting. You got to wait for a while right here for that. So you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So now let me just go around and open this out right here. And in Microsoft Word, right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So now you can see that whatever information was generated in Copilot is actually saved as Microsoft Word file, just like this. All the formattings are preserved as well. You can also go around and export it out as a PDF file, as you can see right here. And this is the option that you have to save it as a PDF file. You can also export it out as a text file right here. And as you go around and open this up, you can see that this is what you have. So this is the text file that it actually went around and generated right here. So once you have a prompt and you want to export it out in different formats, you can easily do that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.